We are continuing with our Linux operations. We have seen a little demonstration of what the Linux terminal is all about. We are moving with this command sudo. What does it mean? Where and when can you use it? Sudo means super user do. It gives a regular user account the ability to perform operations that only root can perform. We are going to see the demonstration right away. Here we are going to demonstrate the power of sudo. Log in with your regular user account, which means the account you created while installing the Kali Linux. We are going to see the power of sudo. Changing passwords on Kali Linux can only be done by the root account. To change password, the command is passwd. And now we want to change it for root, which is the account we want to change password for. Once we hit enter, it says that you may not view or modify password information for root. This means that we do not have access to perform that. But now we are going to supply that with sudo and say super user do passwd, and then for root. Now we are being granted access to do this. So we need to authenticate by supplying the password for the regular account. Hit enter. Here we can be able to change the password again. And it says password updated successfully. No sudo command, we were denied access. Supplying sudo command, we have been given the permission to change the password. This is the power of sudo. We are going to wipe our screen, and the command to do that is clear. Our next operation is updating and upgrading Kali Linux. This is a recommendation. After successfully installing your Kali Linux, the next thing you are to do is to update and upgrade the operating system so that all the updates can be installed. First, if you don't update the operating system, you will not be able to install applications. So it is mandatory to update your Kali Linux machine after installation. We are going to update our machine now, and we are doing it from the root account. Log in as root, supply the password. We are logged in to the root account successfully. In this environment, we don't have to use the sudo command anymore. We only use the sudo command in the regular user account. To update Kali Linux, type this command: apt/get space update space dash y. Hit enter to run. Now the update is done. Next is to upgrade the machine. To upgrade the machine, type apt-get upgrade and y. Give it some time to run. Our next operation is the switch users operation. This helps us to manage files or documents that exist on the user account. Head on to Kali Linux. Make sure you are logged in as root so you don't have any restrictions. But if you are on your regular account, make sure you use your sudo command. To switch between users, type this command su and the user account that you want to manage. In this case, I am using my regular account. Type the command and hit enter. This shows that we now have access to this account. We have access to this account. From here now, we can go on to perform some other operations. Our next operation is how to add users on Kali Linux operating system. To add users, type this command: add user space the username for the account. In this case, I am adding Momo as the user name. Hit enter. It will perform the operation and request that you create a new password for the account. Type the password of your choice. Retype the password. Now it asks you for further information. Provide the full name. Is there a room number or office number? In this case, we are not supplying any room number. So hit enter to go default. Home phone number do you have? Supply it. Else, hit enter. Other information, yes or no. You don't have any other information. Hit enter. Is the information correct? Yes. So type Y. Hit enter. You have successfully added this user to the operating system, so you can be able to log in with these credentials you have created. Our next operation is to change passwords. To reset passwords on Kali Linux, type this command: passwd and the user account that you want to change the password for. In this case, I am going to change the password for this account, Momo. Type this command and hit enter. Type the new password. Hit enter. Retype the password. Hit enter. When the operation is successful, it tells you the password updated successfully. That is how you change passwords for user accounts on Kali Linux from the root account. But if you were using a regular account to do this, you must supply the sudo command along with this command.